Are you planning to buy a house in Germany? Then you can't afford to miss this video. Today we are diving deep into the world of Schufa, the credit scoring system that can make or break your real estate dreams in Germany. Hi, my name is Sebastian, and in this channel we are going to guide you on how to buy a house in Germany. Schufa provides information about the creditworthiness of people in Germany. The Schutzgemeinschaft für allgemeine Kreditsicherung, Schufa, is mainly used by companies to assess the solvency of potential customers. Imagine you want to take out a new mobile phone contract. Since you have to pay money for it every month, the mobile phone provider cannot be sure that you will always be able to pay. So they ask the credit scoring company Schufa how your payment and purchasing behavior has been up to now and get a forecast. With this, the mobile phone provider then knows with a high degree of probability whether you will be able to pay over the entire period or not. This becomes even more important in the course of real estate financing because a bad Schufa score can lead to a worse interest rate or even to the rejection of the application. So how does Schufa work? In total, Schufa has information on more than 67 million inhabitants in Germany. Approximately 280,000 inquiries are received from companies every day. These include mobile phone providers, banks or other credit institutions, and many more. This information can only be obtained with your permission. Therefore, all contracts contain a clause in which you give the companies just this right. As a rule, companies do not continue to work with the customer if he or she does not agree to Schufa query. This is especially important to give the company a picture of the customer's creditworthiness to be able to pay for the arranged transaction. In addition to your name, date of birth and gender, Schufa only stores specific data. No data about your current living situation or professional situation is stored. Schufa is also not allowed to know or store your income. Stored data are, for example, mobile phone or leasing contracts, open loans, the number of accounts open, and also open claims from creditors. Your personal Schufa score is then calculated from this data. This score ranges from 0 to 1000. The higher the score, the more likely you are able to pay. So when you apply for a personal loan at a bank, for example, the bank checks the Schufa and in some cases adjusts the interest rate to fit the Schufa score. So the better the Schufa score, the better interest rate on your personal loan could be in some cases. For the company that obtains a credit report, economic reliability and the risk of default are important. Therefore, it is important to have no defaults, but also the number of current accounts, credit and mobile phone contracts is important, as more obligations can theoretically mean a higher risk of default. In addition, credit inquiries for consumer loans and construction financing are also stored. So if you regularly ask for credit but don't take it up, this can lead to a company thinking, oh, there must be a reason why the customer didn't get the credit, or we are not putting much effort into this, the customer won't do the deal anyway. So be careful with the number of credit inquiries. Now I would like to show you 3 ways to get your Schufa information. First, via the website meineschufa.de, you can get a free copy of all the data that Schufa has stored on you. However, you will not receive a daily updated Schufa score there. Unfortunately, it takes a while to get this information. Second, you can also get permanent access to Schufa, which costs you a monthly fee, but gives you the opportunity to keep an eye on your Schufa data. In the description below, you will find a link to the site. The third option is the Schufa credit report, which costs a one-time fee, gives you comprehensive information about your current score and the saved data, and is made available to you quickly. Finally, I would like to explain how you can ensure a good Schufa score. First, pay your bills on time. This is not difficult in principle, but many forget to open or process letters with bills, or even worse, do not have enough money in the account that the money cannot be collected. You must prevent this at all costs. Second, cancelling unused credit cards, current accounts and mobile phone contracts. Sometimes You have had an account or contract for years that you don't use. Get rid of this baggage. 3. Delete incorrect entries. Sometimes there are also erroneous entries. You can delete these on request. 4. Avoid frequent current account changes. Some people regularly change their current account because of bonuses. Don't do this because it looks suspicious to companies. 5. Take out fewer loans. Especially small loans, like 3 payments for a 100 euro purchase, should be avoided. Especially if you have a lot of agreements, each of these agreements is considered a personal loan and does not look good in the Schufa. 6. Avoid frequent moves. Of course, there are usually reasons for moving to another city, especially because of a new job. As far as possible, however, you should not move too often. 7. Delete negative entries. If you have negative entries, they should be deleted after a certain period of time. So check your Schufa information regularly and take care of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have more questions about this topic, please feel free to contact us. Of course, we will also help you with all topics related to real estate as well as personal and home loans. Take care and see you soon.